Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your image black and white in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. So open your image in Photopea. Once your image is loaded, right click on the image layer in the layers panel and select convert to smart object. This step allows you to edit non-destructively, meaning you can easily turn your effect on or off later. Then you have to go to the image menu in the top and then go for this transform and go for this adjustment and then simply select this black and white. Black and white adjustment dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, you will see sliders for different colors like red, yellows, greens and more. These sliders let you adjust the brightness of specific color in the image. For example, if you want to make the red areas lighter, move the red slider to the right. Play around with the sliders to create a balanced and striking black and white image. Once you are happy with the adjustment, click on OK to apply the changes and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn an image black and white in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.